Friday morning, 7:44, and we're here at the campsite. John has to fix his car, like always. I just have to clean my wheels. And Jason, are you gonna adjust your ride height?
Nah, I think I'm good.
He's good. So this is our campsite. And this was our sleeping situation. And it's tucked away in that corner. Jason, John, Andy. Hey, what's this guy doing?
I think he's brushing his teeth.
Looks about right. Going on this trail.
Is this where the Russians are landing?
This is where the Russians land, yeah. Erosion. Oh yeah, we're hollow underneath. It's the ocean, baby. As a group, we have decided not to pursue any deeper into this journey. Got crops. John can enjoy it for all of us. Jump rope. Woo! So here I am. I just bent my fender well out a little and I noticed this bubbling. Yeah, we're leaking. It's probably a slow leak. Back on the road. Gonna get breakfast with this guy and this guy and this thing with me. What the? Comment down below, when's the last time you guys seen a Radio Shack, if you know what Radio Shack is. Eggheads. Pulled over to the side of the road to enjoy the view. This is the view. Yeah.
I was told these were pieces of shit.
A couple pieces of shit, yeah.
But it seems like nothing will go wrong this whole trip.
Well, you know, look at the floor there. My car spilled out a whole bunch of pee. Well, boys, you can't make this up. See this here? You can't make it up. Nothing like snacking on melted Oreos with the view of the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna get the most smashed up one right here. Oh man, look at this. This is the trifecta right here. You can't make this up, boys. Quadruple Oreo.
Would you choose the cream or the cookie?
Big bird. On the road to the Golden Gate Bridge. Here we are in the city, getting gas. Streets. Hey, I'm gonna say this is worse than LA traffic. Yeah.
This traffic sucks.
Traffic sucks. We've been stop and go for like the last hour, I feel like. I hate this city. V-band flew off. Where's it at? See my V-band. Here it is. Gonna have to figure out how to fix this. It's been scraping there anyway. Alright, so I broke a V-band. What that means is I'm gonna steal the V-band from the back because it's gonna be loud regardless, and just not roll around with a muffler.
You're an idiot.
Grab the V-band, I threw it behind the seat. So
Yeah, you'll weld it back.
we'll
together.
rivet it. We'll throw some rivets and coke in.
My exhaust is just as low as yours. I didn't hit anything.
I'm out of work.
My V-band's hanging super low.
I'm out of...
Then it's all wheel placement. You don't know how to do wheel placement. That's fine. You should just
These better be the best dumplings. We sat in traffic for
You should
long.
just be overlanding your flow like I do all the time.
Okay, well just make sure this car don't fall on me. Where's all the NorCal guys at? Where's the AE86 NorCal cat? Should hit him up. Oh, God. That's hanging low. That's gonna freaking die, huh? I was just gonna take you to fucking Hong Kong. It's Hong Kong and Salinas. Salinas, California, boys. Okay. Alright, take out the jack stand.
I don't know.
This thing sucks.
Yeah.
Okay. Dumplings. Don't dumb down.
Sign on
I guess we're parking there.
see the sign on the Golden Gate Bridge. It said
We ended up here. My car's parked there. Hopefully no one touches it.
That's not ready.
All right, got some of that stuff, some of this stuff, some of this stuff. How is it? I don't know if it was worth breaking my V-band for it. This should be illegal. What are your thoughts? We're about 2 hours away, and
Sounds like you're at ABS.
there's idiot. Okay, so the sound's not that bad. It's just the exhaust is filling up the cabin. This guy saved me. I was suffocating in this gas chamber of a car, and he saved me right now. This guy's exaggerating because it's high. I'm gonna bend this back and weld it. Good. Fixing this shitty. I have the flash on there. That's how I turn on the thing. I straightened this up, but obviously that's stupid. I gotta weld this back. Strap. I'm gonna freaking
You another stainless strap on there, or you gonna put a steel strap on there?
steel, whatever. Stainless hose clamp.
And then it's just
I'm
gonna
gonna just use
crack
a hose
right.
clamp.
Just gonna crack right along the well, right when you tighten
No,
it.
you're talking to an engineer.
You're done.
You're talking to an engineer, but
I thought you were done 5 minutes ago. That's what you said.
you're talking
Don't
to an
be
engineer, but this engineer has suspension that goes back, back.
Aren't those things like $5?
We were gonna weld it, but we moved all this stuff. Carlos moved all this stuff and 5 scissor jacks just to find out there's no gas. I'm gonna drill 4 holes here, 4 holes in this one, put a strap and rivet it with the rivet sticking out the other way. Oh, they drilled it. Yeah, definitely.
But no, I was ready for camping and shit. But whatever.
Bruce is here. All right, here we are in the garage. Boom. Okay, I decided to say F this because I snapped one of the little retainers off.
I'm surprised you gave up so easily.
Thank you. Bob went to the track. Bob wasn't supposed to go to the track. If he read the messages, he would know Bruce was coming here. All right, Bob's Hotel in it. You were right. We're at the Condo Hotel here in Salinas.
Oh, okay, tight. So for tomorrow, if you want to do the time,
Gave up on the V-band. We're just playing Gran Turismo now. Practicing for tomorrow.